Ninth class English most important letters and stories and dialogues. So let's start. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, like our video. Thank you. Most important letters. First, write a letter to your mother who is worried about your health. Second, write a letter to your father asking him about the health of your mother. Third, write a letter to your mother about the test you have just taken. 4. Write a letter to your brother about the importance of science subject. 5. Write a letter to your father requesting him to send you extra funds for payment of hostel dues. 6. Write a letter to your sister thanking her for a gift. 7. Write a letter to your friends condoling the death of his mother.